The next thing that he talks about in his text on BethlehemStar.net is that the planets tend to move in their orbit, of course, um, against a field of fixed stars. And so one of the things that happens with Jupiter is that it tends to move eastward through the starry field. It rises in the east, which satisfies the second star qualification from the text of Matthew. Remember, we have seen a star in the east. Each night it appears to be slightly farther east in the field of fixed stars, and all of the planets move like this. But he says, but the wandering stars exhibit another stranger motion. Periodically, they appear to reverse course and move backward through the other stars. He says that may seem odd, but the reason is that as we watch the planets from our moving platform of Earth, which is hurtling around the sun in its own orbit, and when you pass, like when you pass a car on the freeway, it appears to go backward as it drops behind. And so for similar reasons, when the Earth in its orbit swings past another planet, that planet appears to move backward against the starry field. And astronomers have a term for this, which they call retrograde motion. And in that same time frame, Jupiter had a retrograde motion that would have drawn the Magi's full attention. So again, I went back to our software to see what I could replicate with that activity, and I started moving this date forward. And if you watch, you'll see this happen where Jupiter is going to stop still here in a moment. It looks like it has that effect. Now it's stopping, and watch. Now it looks like it's going backward. Do you see that? As I move through, we're now in -1 BC. Did you see that? It was pretty interesting, I think.